And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and we start with natural spin turn. Notice ladies brush action here. We continue with turning lock to left to promenade position. From here we dance chasse from promenade position. Man continues outside partner into first 3 steps of natural turn. Then back whisk into corner. From whisk position we dance wing. Man dances 1 step, lady 3 steps. From wing position we continue with open telemark. Notice ladies heel turn here. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. We take close hold and we are ready to move diagonally to wall with first bar of natural spin turn. We continue around the corner with spin itself. Then we move diagonally to center with turning lock, which we finish in promenade position, ready to move down line of dance with chasse from promenade position. Now diagonally to wall we continue with natural turn, back whisk into corner, and now in new line of dance, diagonally to center, wing, and in same direction we start open telemark, which we finish diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.